The medical device space is changing. And unfortunately, consolidation in med device usually means one thing. A big company buys the little guys, and everyone else gets squeezed. But that's not how we're doing things at Leap. We're not here to replace reps. We're here to back them. We give independent distributors access to supplier contracts, clean backend systems, and tech that actually helps them grow, all without taking away their autonomy. This isn't about takeover, it's about partnership. You want to stay independent? We support that. You want to merge or scale up? We can help with that too. Because growth should come with options, not ultimatums. Want to see how Leap's doing it differently? Click the link. Let's talk.